Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Purity Grace. I hope you guys is doing well. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Today we are going to be cutting a palazzo trouser, baggy trouser, while the down will be wide. That is what we are doing today. This is what we are working with. This is brown paper. We will cut it in brown paper. From there we transfer it to the material we are using. If it's Akara you are using, make sure you cut it in brown paper. Then you transfer it to any material that you are using. This is what we are cutting today. This is palazzo trouser. The down will be wide. This is my brown paper, my marker, scissors, my tape, raw, and my ruler. So what we are working with, this is what we are working with before we transfer it to the brown paper. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. My name is Purity Grace. Please drop your comments in the comment section. Press the notification bell anytime I upload a new video so that you can see it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Then we are going to start now. My brown paper, but the full length that I'm working with is 45. The brown paper is not to 45. When you are transferring it to the material that you are using, make sure you use your full length. You can add 2 inches for the down. Make sure you use your full length. Let's get started. So this is what we are working with. Next in our agenda, I will take my hip measurements. I will take from my waist to my hip. I'm using 9 inches. So from my waist to my hip, I'm using 9 inches. You can see what I'm doing. Let me take it to the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. I use 9 inches. Right from my waist to my crotch line, I divided my hip into 4. Anything you have, I divided my hip into 4 plus half inch, 1 inch. I added 1 inch to it. So this is 13 plus 1 inch. You can see what I'm doing. Then I will roll. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Please, if you don't understand, please just drop your comment in the comment section. So guys, you can see. Sorry guys, this is the first line that I wrote that I need to correct it. Please, if you are taking your measurement, take it step by step from my waist to my hip line, then right from my hip line to my crotch line. From my hip line to my crotch line, I make use of 14 inches. Let me explain the reason why I make use of 14 inches. I divided my hip into 4. I divided my hip into 4. I add 1 inches to it. It depends on if you want to have half inches, no problem. I want it to be free. I don't want it to be too tight, because we are making baggy trouser, palazzo trouser. If you look at the picture very well, the trouser is very big. So from my waist to my crotch line, I make use of 14 inches. So from my waist to my knee line, I'll make use of 23 inches. It depends on you. It doesn't necessary anyway, but I will cut it at normal trouser before I will transfer it to the baggy trouser, which is the palazzo trouser. This is my waistline and my hip line. You can see this is my crotch line, while this is my knee line. This is my waistline. So from my waistline, I come inside by 1.5 inch. I hope you understand. Please pay attention so that everything you are doing, you will understand it better. Pay attention. For my waist, I go inside by 1.5 inch. If you want to make use of 1 inch, it depends on you. So this is what I will do. I will connect it to my hip line. This is my hip. You can see what I'm doing. You can see. This is what I'm doing. This is my weight. Let me zoom it. You can see what I'm doing. Then I will connect it to this place for my down. You know, I take 1.5 inch. Look at the 1.5 inch so that you can see what I'm doing very well. And I will connect it to this place. You can see. I hope you can see it very well. You can see. Let me zoom it. You see what I'm doing. This is what I did. This is my waist. For the arching that I think I connected to this is my hip measurement. I hope you can see what you can see what I did. After connecting my waist to my hip line, let me zoom it to the camera. Then I take straight down. I just take a straight line down. You can see. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I take a straight line down. So what I will do, I will place my measurement. That is my waist measurement. I will place my waist measurement. You will divide your waist by 4. You will divide your waist by 4. That is what I will do. I will divide my waist by 4. Then I will also do the same thing to the hip. I will divide my hip by 4 as well. I hope you understand. So I will divide my waist by 4. Then this is what I will do. Divided my waist by 4 plus 2 inches allowance. Then while my hip, I will divide my hip by 4 as well. I've divided my waist by 4. Then my hip, I will divide it by 4. What I get, that's what I will place in my hip line. My hip, you can see. Then I will add 1.5 inch for my hip. I will not add 2 inches. You can see. I will add 1.5 inch for my hip. I hope you understand. Then I will come to my cross line. Okay guys, so I've placed my hip measurement and my waist measurement. Then I come to my cross line. My cross line, how you will get it, you measure your flap. When you measure your flap, then you divide it by 2. That's what I did. This is my cross line. My cross line, I measure it, divide it by 2. I had 1 inches to it. I had 1 inches to it. Then I will connect it to this place. You can see what I'm doing. You can see I connect it to this place, to my hip line. I hope you can see what I'm doing. This is what I did. I connect it to this place. You can see it very well. Please, if you don't understand, drop your comment in the comment section. It's a very easy trouser, very easy and simple. If you know what you do in the brown paper, when you transfer it to the material, very easy. I know what I'm saying. So far you know your accurate measurement. You know the measurement, you know your measurement, or you know, you know your client measurement. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what I will do, what I have in my cross line, this measurement I have, then I will just take the measurements I will take the measurement and take it down. Then I will take a ruler. I will use it to measure it. This is what I have. Take a measurement down. If you can see what I'm doing, measure it down. I hope you can see. I want to carry you along. Then I will take what I'm doing. You can see. What you can see. So what I will do, I will take the measurement I have in my cross line. I will take it, I will divide it by 2, like so, from this place. Then I will take it to this, so that I can get the knee point. Okay. Then I will take it down to the hemline. I will take it down to the hemline so that I can get the straight, I can get the center. I'll take it to the hemline, like so. You can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Please, if you don't understand, drop your comments in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. If today is your first time for you to watch my YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anytime I upload a new video, you can see it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then I will take a ruler and mark it straight down. This is what I will do. Will be the middle. This is be the center, so that I can get the what I'm looking for. You can see. Okay, this is the middle. I hope you can see it, what I'm doing. Then I will connect it to my waistline, like so. This is, I'll connect it to my waistline, like so. I hope you understand. This is my cross line. This is my waist. This is my hip. I will connect it. This is the center, and this is the center. What I will do, I will trim it out, then I will place it in my material. This is what I will do. We have done with the palazzo trouser. How it will look bigger at the down, I will explain it to you. But what we are doing, we have done with the brown paper. We cut it, trim it out, and place it in the material you are using. Please make use of your office pin, very necessary, so that you can use it to guide it. I hope you understand. Okay guys, you can see how it look. The brown paper, the brown paper, I cut it into 2. You know, my cross line, I divide it into by 2. That's why I get the center point. Then I cut it into 2. So this how the baggy trouser will come out. Since I have cut the brown paper, then I divide it into 2. Then I place it to the material that I'm using. This is the material. I place it at the material, like so. Why this wideness? Let me zoom the camera. You can see from this place I make use of 6 inches. If you want your hole to be bigger than that, you know that you are going to make use of more material. So I make use of 6 inches for this place for the widening. Why the down? I will add 2 inches for the material, because I want the trouser to be flare. I want the trouser to be done. Then I will add 2 inches. I will add 2 inches for the down, like so. For the folding, 2 inches, like so. This side also 2 inches for the down. This is what I will do. Make sure if you are making yours, add 2 inches or maximum. It depends on your length. It's not compulsory must add 2 inches. It depends on the length that you are using. I hope you understand. Depend on the length. My length is 45 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. I make use of 2 inches. You see how it look like. Make sure that everything you are doing is okay. Okay. Then I will cut it out. I will cut it out like so. I will cut it out with the brown paper. Then I also place the brown paper at the back. I will also place the same brown paper at the back. The difference is the 2 inches that I will add for the cross line. I'll place the 2 inches. Okay guys, this is the back. I've placed the back. This is the back. It's the same thing. The difference that the cross line I added 2 inches. For this cross line I had 2 inches. From this place 1.5. Then I come up by 1.5 inch for the waistline. Because this I come up by 1.5. Let me measure it so that you can see. Okay, sorry, I come up by 1 inch. I come up by 1 inch for this cross line up. Right from this place 1.5 inch. But this cross line is very important. I measured 2 inches for the cross line. You can see the cross line. So right from the cross line, I take 1.5 down. I measured 1.5 inch downward. While the length I had 2 inches because I said it. My length is 45 plus 1 inches for folding. That is hem allowance. What I will do, I will trim it. I will trim this place out. We are done with the back and the front. Then we'll go back to the sewing. I hope you understand. So guys, this is the back side. I already trim it, cut it out. What I will do, I will take it to the sewing machine. Then I will use machine to sew the cross line. Before I will do that, I will measure 1/2 inch. How I will take it to how I will sew it. Then I will sew it like 1/2 inch for the cross line. This is where I'm going to add my zip. Then I will measure 8 inch. That is where my zip will stop. Then I will make use of 1 inches for the zip. 1 inches for the zip. Then we will stop here. Then I will sew from here down. I'll use 1/2 inch. Sew it. Then I'll also do the same to the front side. Same thing to the front. I will sew it for my cross. I'll also use 1/2 inch. What I did to the front, 1/2 inch. I'll also do the same to the back. I'll use 1/2 inch to sew it. Make sure you use your office pin. If you cannot use your hand, 1/2 inch. I sew it. So after that, I will bring it so that you can see it. For this palazzo trouser, I'm not going to add that to it, to the waist. I'm not going to add that to it. What I will do is zip and pocket. That is the only thing I'm adding, zip and pocket. I hope you understand. Please, if you don't understand, drop your comment in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Okay guys, I've had the zip to the back. Let me show you what I did to the back. I had the zip. You can see the zip. Let me keep this one aside so that you can see what I'm doing. This is the zip. I've had the zip to the back. You can see. This is the zip. I've had the zip to the back. While the front, I will add the pocket to the front. If you don't know how to make pockets, I will make video for that so that you can know how to make pockets. You have a different type of pockets. So this is what I'm doing. From this place, I take 3 inches. While from here is 6 inches. I will sew it like this with a curve. Then I will trim this place out. This is pocket. If you want to fix a pocket, the front side will face the front side. This is the front side of the pocket. Make sure it is facing the right side. Then I will take it to my sewing machine. I will sew it. I will do the same thing to the other side. This is the other side. I will do the same thing to it. After sewing it, I will bring it so that you can see it. Okay guys, I'm done with the pocket. Now what I will do, I will place the front and the back side together. Then I will take my measurement. I will take my waist measurement, my hip measurement. Then I will take it down. You know, I had 2 inches for seam allowance for the waist. Then while the hip, I had 1.5 inches. That's the same measurement I'm working with. For the hip, 1.5 inches. While the waist is the 2 inches I add. After that, then I will shape it down. I will add the band to the waist. Then I will bring it to you guys. You will see what I will do now is my measurement, my waist measurement and my hip measurement. Okay guys, I've shaped the 2 sides. What I did, this flap, what I did, I use office pin to pin it together so that this lace will be lap. This is what I did. I use office pin to pin it together. I want this back and the front should be equal. Then I did the same thing down. So I have shaped the 2 sides, this side and this other side. Then I have band to it. I've added band to it. This is the back. This is the back. The zip is at the back. This is the band that I have to it. If you don't know how to do the band, measured 2 inches. What I did, I measured 5 inches. Then I used half inch to fold it inside. So the remaining one was 4. Therefore, I folded it together into 2. It gave me 2 inches. So I added a band to it. This is the pocket that you face, you can see. So this is the end of the video, the end of the tutorial for today. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Purity Grace. What I will do, I will fold it inches inside with 1 inch. 1 inch. If you don't want the sewing, if you don't want the thread to show, they will use your Emmy gold to fold it inside. That will be the last thing I will do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Purity Grace. If you like my video, please give it thumbs up. Share my video to your loved ones. We are a big family. God bless you. God bless you. Bye.